Hey, Assalamu alaikum. I will telling about the shared approval system in buying house. So, thank you so much playing my videos. You will first visit my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and press this notification bell icon. Let's get started now. Agree with shed band to control this color violation and acceptable shed band should be agreed between buying house, buyer and garments marker prior of this cutting process. The color to bulk production must fail winning this agri shadeband. In case this shadeband is out of standard, advising these factories to contact tight drawing mills of investment improvement. Should there be example access of shade variation? This will tell the stressors to QC manager and merchandiser manager for discussion making for your infinity of customers. Generally, four sets of shade band approval by buying house. One keeping in buying house, one for wash factory and two for garments maker. 10. Shade color violation of garments winning this buying house approval shade band should be under light box at last 1000 lux light should be in buyer requirement light. If you have any question about shade band submission and approval procedure in garments factory, please let me know. I will try to give you more details. Thank you so much for watching these videos. I will discuss the shade approval system in my house. Tata, bye bye.